If you interpolate out $100 Saudi light, what does it do to the royal family? What does it do to the fabric and culture of Saudi Arabia?
Well, what it does for the royal families, they immediately became very popular. You saw it on the G20 a few days ago in India, where President Biden was again shaking hands with Mohammed bin Salman, the crown prince of Saudi Arabia. And using the own words of the president, of the U.S. president, he wanted to make of Mohammed bin Salman a pariah in international economics. And now he's shaking hands. $100 just transforms the Saudi royal family into a must need. It's someone that everyone needs to talk, everyone needs to debate, because $100 oil is going to have profound economic implications just when central banks are trying to decide that whether they have done enough for inflation.
Javier, President Biden is going to speak of an auto strike today. He and I remember when there were a lot of VW Rabbit diesels sold in America and Detroit was hammered. And then 1986 happened and OPEC was broken. The price plunged. Is there any ability to break OPEC Plus, to break the Saudis in 2024?
No, I don't think so. I think that OPEC and OPEC Plus, particularly this joint agreement between the Russians and the Saudis, is still very strong. And the Saudis have absolute control of the market right now, both on the upside and on the downside. They have demonstrated that they have the ability to push prices much higher than many have anticipated, and they can do the other way down. They demonstrated only a few years ago that they are willing and they are capable of sometimes crash the market if needed to punish rivals or to force the collapse of U.S. domestic oil production. So I think that they are really on the driving seat.